Hi there, I'm Anupriya. I need to tell you something. That in our life, we like a lot of things and we dislike as well. So once we like something, we just show our expressions and we make them feel that yeah, I'm liking something. But when we dislike something or someone, how do we exactly express this? That is a lesson today. Yes, I have prepared few phrases for you that will help you to show your disliking about something. So I'll start with the first sentence. That is, I don't really like. When can you say this? You can actually say this when you're emphasizing on your disliking about any particular thing. I don't really like this means once you have said I don't like it, that was a simple manner expressing your way that I don't like it. But once the person is not convinced that you are actually not liking particular thing, so you are again telling it by a repetition that I don't really like it means please understand I am not liking it, try to accept it. So this was the way that you emphasized on your disliking about something. Next one is it's not my style. This sentence can be said when actually you are not into any particular thing very much regular or something which is not actually your habit. Suppose if you are driving, alright, and the person sitting beside you has asked you to cross the red light, to jump the red light. So you just said by denying that no, it's not my style. Means I'm not liking it that I should jump this red light. It's out of rule. So here what you're saying, it's not my style. Alright. Or suppose you need to give a presentation and you have asked by your friend, you have been asked by your friend that please keep some bullet points and don't go in the brief it. But you said, no, I'll explain each of the point. It's actually not my style. Again, you are not comfortable by going short. You're not ready to accept any way which you are not happy with. So you are saying, it's not my style. Again, you are expressing your disliking about something. Talking about the next one, which is, I am not or I have never been part of this or I am not into all this or I have never been into all this. What does it mean? It means you are not regular with something. Again here, you are not habitual of something. Alright. Someone has offered you smoking. You know smoking is injurious to health. It's a bad habit. So you have been offered again and again by some of your friends who are doing it. So you are saying, I'm not into all this. Or I have never been into all this. Informing the person that you have never done this task earlier. You have been blamed that you do smoking. But here you are denying. You smoke but you are denying. So you are saying, no, I have never been part of all this or I have never been into all this. Means I have never done it earlier. Please don't force me. So here also you are expressing your expression of disliking the habit of smoking and you are denying it by saying I am not into all this or I have never been into all this. Now, I am not fond of. Very beautiful sentence showing that you are not interested about something, you are not liking something. I'm not fond of doing this, please don't force me. Alright, suppose you have been offered any kind of drink and you are not doing that, or suppose you don't do that. So you are saying, I'm not fond of this, means I don't do it. Please don't make me forced to do this. Alright, or suppose you have been offered any food to eat that you are not liking. So I'm not fond of this one. Please keep it up. So that is also kind of sentence that you can speak when you are not liking a particular thing. Now, keep me away. This is also something that you are asking the other person just to show your disliking about something, that keep me away. I don't want to do this, keep me away from all this, alright? Or suppose their argument is happening and you keep silent, you maintain a silence, you don't want to speak any word about it because you're just saying keep me away from all this. I'm not going to part of it because you're not liking such a rude conversation going in the group. So again, you are asking someone to keep yourself, stay away from all the bad things going around you because you're not liking that. Alright, it disgusts me. You know what is it? Disgust? Disgust is the superlative degree of hatred. Yes, when all the limitations has been crossed, that you are not liking anything, So it is the height of this expression, of disliking something. That is, it disgusts me means I hate it badly. I don't want to do it. Please don't talk about it. So it disgusts me. Again, someone is asking you for a smoking, so you can say, it disgusts me. You are badly influenced with all such kind of things. You don't like it, and you are saying, it disgusts me. Or something else, or someone else you hate, someone you don't like to talk about, someone you don't like to meet. So you can also, though it is a wrong thing speaking the ill conversation about anybody else, but still you can say it disgusts me, or he disgusts me, or such kind of conversation disgusts me. Alright, picking up the last one, which is it doesn't interest me much. Polite way to express your disliking, it doesn't interest me much. Suppose if I keep on emphasizing you, please study English hard, please do it, please do this chapter, please read this chapter, please practice it. So end of the day, you are saying, ma'am, it doesn't interest me much. Means I don't like to study a lot of English stuff. So this was quite a polite manner, expressing your way of disliking reading English again and again. But just opposite, you should do this. It's not happening in the sense of learning English or any language. Actually, it is about something, we can say, something you are not interested to do very much, something you are not interested in, and something you're not sure about whether you like it or you don't like it. So you can say, it doesn't interest me much. It doesn't extract my interest very much in all this. So in this way, we have expressed 7 ways to express our feeling of disliking about something. So next time we're gonna say all this sentence when you don't like anything. Bye for now.